Realme 6. The Realme 6 has 6.5-inch LCD display with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. Android Q operating system. MediaTek Helio G90T processor. Realme UI based on Android 10. Triple slot setup for dual nano SIM and SD card. 6 GB RAM with 64 GB storage. 64 megapixel quad camera setup, and 16 megapixel front camera. 3.5 mm audio jack, and USB Type-C port. 4300 mAh non-removable battery that support 30-watt flash charging. It has fingerprint sensor in the right side, accelerometer, gyro sensor, proximity sensor, and compass.